Hello my friends, I have another abstract intro for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates, and folder where you extracted the file. I have in Backgrounds, drag and drop abstract intro number 4. I use custom nodes and media out for 1080p. Connect to the media out. Press 2 on the keyboard for media out. Ungroup. And I will show you here. First, you will get the background, 4 corners. Obviously, you can change it. This is the text, 1, 2, 3 text with rectangle for the animation reveal. Animation is done in this merge. And then for every element, animation is done in these merges here. Fairly simple. And as you can see, everything is animated. If you want to change it, you can. If you want to add something more, just make the background, copy background, take the rectangle, connect, and connect here, and you can add something else if you wish. And that's basically it.
Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.